One of the most frustrating things about tent camping that nobody talks about is getting this tent in this little bag. I'm going to show you how to fold a tent that's just going to slip right into the bag. And this works for almost all tents that have the external tent poles. I own 4 different tents. I've tried it on all 4. It works on all 4. So let me show you. First thing you want to do is you want to create a rectangle with the tent. So as you're creating the rectangle, you're going to put all the excess material into the middle. And then once you have it into a rectangle, you're going to take the bag that the tent's going to go in, put it on one side of the tent on the short end, so you know how small this needs to be folded. And from there, you're going to take one side and fold it to the middle. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. As you can see, I'm not quite as small as I need to be, so I'm going to fold it one more time. So you're going to take this side, fold it on top here. The way this is folded, it's going to prevent the tent from pushing out as you're rolling the tent up. And if you have a larger tent, you're going to need to fold it in a few more times. And once you get folded here, you're then going to roll the tent, getting out all the excess air. And once you get to the excess air at the end, just push it slowly and it'll just let all the air out slowly. You don't want to lose your folds. Then from there, my tent's all folded up, and I'll show you how easy it is to get in the bag. Plenty of room, and that's how easy it is to fold a tent and put it in the bag.